living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you more. But now that you've come back, turn night into day, I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms. Hope that you see what your love means to me. Open arms. Sometimes I wonder where I've been, who I am. Do I fit in? Make believe it is hard alone, out here on my own. We are always proving who we are, always reaching for that rising star to guide me far and shine me home, out here on my own. When I'm down and feeling blue, I close my eyes so I can be with you. Oh baby, strong for me, baby belong to me. Help me through, help me need you until the morning sun appears, making life over my fears. I dry the tears I've never shown. Out here on my own. But when I'm down and feeling blue, I close Same old song, just a drop of water in an endless sea. All we do crumbles to the ground and we refuse to see. Lost in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. La 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 Don't hang on. Nothing lasts forever than the earth and sky slips away. All your money won't another minute by. Dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. Dust in the wind. Everything is dust in the wind. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew. You taught me how to love what it's all, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way, and I knew what you knew. Nobody else could ever know. My life, my heart, my home. someone you know. You're loving them so, you're taking them all for granted. You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you